In today's episode, let's make some gizzard, and with me here I have my ingredients. So from this corner, I have some gizzards, and I've washed them and I've pat them dry. I have some cooking oil, some salt, some onions, tomato paste, but you can also use tomatoes. I have my coriander stems, some capsicum, some seasoning cube, and this is a chicken seasoning cube. I have some coriander leaves, I have some garlic and some ginger, and finally I have some black pepper. And without further ado, let's get started. For today's episode, I want it very simple because I am tired and hungry. So I'll start by seasoning it with some salt as well as some black pepper. Then I'm going to mix this till everything is well distributed. Then now that I'm certain everything is well distributed, the salt and the black pepper, we are going to proceed to the other side and we are going to fry them. So now that the price of oil has gone down, we can deep fry this, and you know your oil is ready. If you insert a wooden spoon and you see bubbles forming, you know your oil is ready. So I'm going to dip my gizzards and I'm going to fry this for about 3 to 5 minutes. So finally, it's been about 5 or so minutes, and I've also tasted this and they are well done. So we can start frying them. So we are going to prepare the stew. And I'm going to start by removing them, and I'm just going to place them here. You do not really need a kitchen towel for that, to soak in the juices, because we're going to return them to get the juices that they collected into the fire. I'll switch that off. So I have strained the excess oil na nimebakisha about a tablespoon. I'll wait for that to become hot, then I can go in with my onions. So as usual, I'm going to wait for this to start turning translucent before I can go in with my other ingredients. Then I'll add in my ginger. Then I'm also going to add in my garlic. Then I'm going to cook this till the garlic is fragrant. So once the garlic is fragrant, I'll go in with my other ingredient. I'll add in the capsicum. As well as the coriander stems. I'm also going to add in my tomatoes. And I'll add in some water. So the purpose of the water is to help the tomato to loosen so that it can cook faster. And things are going on pretty well. So at this point, I'll add in my black pepper. Then remember our meat has some salt, so I'll just put in a small pinch, and I'll also add in my cube. Then I'm going to break this. So at this point we are pretty much done. So I'm pretty sure everything else is well combined at this point, and we have such a beautiful sauce. I'll go in with my pieces of gizzards as well as the juices that have been accumulated. Then I'll add in some water. Then I'm going to reduce this to low, and I'm going to simmer this for about 5 or so minutes. So like 5 minutes later, this is what we have, and this looks amazing. So this is exactly what you wanted, and you can see it's a really nice wet fry. I'm going to garnish this with my remaining capsicum as well as the coriander leaves. I'll switch that off. And this is ready to be enjoyed. And as you've seen, it was that easy. So I've served my gizzard with some terere and ugali, and let's dig in. Wow. Wow. This is absolutely good. Wow. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed, and I also hope you're going to try this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.